Hey everybody, Judy Seeger back with your Masterclass Ozone Therapy 101. This is part 4 where we're going to talk about conditions, right? So what conditions can ozone therapy be used for? Well, there's a long list, and these are the ones that I've seen the most results with. Goes anywhere from cancer, heart disease, allergies, sinus issues, autoimmune, multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, Lyme disease, Raynaud's disease, chronic fatigue syndrome, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, intestinal disease. I've seen all kinds of digestive issues healed up with this, degenerative joint disease, chronic infections, hepatitis, cystitis, migraines, chronic pain, wound healing. Those are the ones I've seen. I certainly have friends who are physicians. You're also using ozone therapy and seeing many more healed. But these are the ones that I personally have had views with and seeing how people have done. And it's just a matter of getting everybody set up so that they have great results and get them to the next level of healing. And hopefully that's you as well. So how does it work? First of all, I have been saying this in other modules, and it bears repeating that it inactivates the viruses, bacteria, fungi, mold, yeast by destroying the outer membrane. Okay, so ozone, remember, because it has the 3 molecules together, makes it super strong and is able to go after the pathogens, the toxins, the things that don't belong in your body, and destroys the outer membrane so they die and they're incapacitated. Okay. Now it also reactivates antioxidants and boosts your immune cells, which is super important because I always say anything you could do to boost your immune system is what really gets you to your level of healing. Your immune system reverses diseases. All right. And anything we could do to help that is powerful. In municipalities, they use the water treatment systems, they use ozone to eradicate harmful bacteria and chemicals to produce safe, drinkable water. So it's used for all different kinds of things. And hospitals, hotels, casinos use ozone for air purification, sterilization, and odor elimination. So it's used for lots of different things, from diseases to purifying the air to sterilization, for odors, many different things. I know you guys are on here specifically for health conditions. I understand that. I just want to show you the scope of all things that ozone can be used for. So what we want to do is have you understand that those of you who are on a cancer healing journey and you have done chemo and radiation, yes, it kills the chemo. As you could see, chemo kills the cancer cells. Chemotherapy comes in. Here's the apoptosis, which is the cancer cells. Cancer cells are cells that don't die a natural death. And so the chemo comes in and goes after the cancer cells, yes, but it also goes after the healthy cells. All right, chemo is not selective, neither is radiation therapy. It goes after everything at the same time, which causes lots and lots of problems with your immune system, which is why cancer tends to come back, and which is what I've been seeing in the last few years, and this is a great concern. So we want to make sure that we have something that could go after just the cells that don't belong in your body, like breaking down this the outer shell of the cancer right here and getting rid of it, right? That's really what we want to do. Ozone kills only the bad cells, increases the amount of oxygen in your entire body, and it boosts your immune cells. Now, here's something that's super important. Listen, please, at the moment, put everything down. Just pay attention to this part, because this is something no one is teaching on the internet, and it's so vital to get great results. And I want you guys to get great results. I want you to go to your next level, and that is this: that during ozone therapy, if you do it in conjunction with a simple 7-day detox, which is what I have created. I have a course just for that. Very simple 7-day detox. It will do wonders for the cell die-off. Because remember, as the cells die off from the ozone destroying them, your body has to deal with that. And this is where so many people get this so-called Herx effect or Herxmeyer, where your body gets very sick. It's like a flu. Your body doesn't know what to do with all of it. It gets to be too much. However, if you do the 7-day detox, guess what happens? You don't get any of those symptoms. That's because your body has a way to detox, get rid of the cell die-off, and your body's not overloaded with all these toxins coming out at the same time. Pretty cool. And that's what I want for you guys. Okay, so up next, let's talk about the safety, the side effects, and the solutions when using ozone therapy. We'll catch you in the next module.